I will be showing you how to use a Spotify song as a ringtone on Android device. For that, the process is very simple and easy. So make sure you follow the video step by step till the end so you guys can understand the process completely. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel, share the video, comment under the video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So let's dive right into it. So first thing first, what you have to do is to select the song that you want to put as a ringtone. For example, I have selected this particular song, and what I have to do is to simply copy the link to this song. So how you can do it, to go to the share option, and in the share option you will see the copy link option. So simply copy it. There are many particular apps that are designed to download songs from the Spotify, but there are actually third-party software. So what you have to do is to simply download the song from the Spotify. You can use different sort of application that are Spotify. That way you will be able to install and download the song. So once you have done that, what you have to do is to go to the settings. In the settings, search ringtone. And once you have done that, what you have to do is to go to the ringtone option. Here you guys can see that what I have to do is to go to the ringtone, and in the ringtone there is a more option. And in the more option you will see a choose local ringtone option. And in the local ringtone option, what you have to do is to redirect the application to the particular path where you have downloaded that particular song. So by doing that, you will be able to put that song on the ringtone for your Android device. I hope you find this video helpful.